Good morning, dear all. This is Shirley from SIPUXIN Cosmetic Machinery. Warmly welcome to our booth. So this year we bring you the 360-liter electric heating shampoo blending tank and 13 liters vacuum homogenizing emulsifier with internal-external circulation, Siemens PLC HMI control, 200-liter perfume mixing, filtering, chilling, 3-in-1 universal making machines. 4 nozzles, perfume vacuum lever equal filling machines, shampoo, body lotion, skincare cream, universal filling machines, gear pump filling machines, and perfume coloring, crimping machines. Warmly welcome you visiting our SIPUXIN Cosmetic Machinery. We're waiting you here. Booth number Hall 1, Z1, D41. Waiting your coming.